everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Cherokee Altitude in granite crystal metallic. This vehicle does seat up to 5 passengers, so it's great for the whole family. Under the hood we've got your 3.2 liter V6 with your 7-slot grille, beautiful slick headlights. Taking a look down here, we've got your 18-inch Continental mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror. It does come with defrost. There's plenty more options we can look at inside. Let's hop on in. Helping us into this wonderful Jeep Cherokee is the key fob that has remote start. Push it twice, it'll lock, hold it down, it'll start up. Just like that, very convenient to have in the winter. Opening it up here, on the side we've got your power locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as some storage and a cup holder. We've got your automatic headlights, your two-tone cloth seating. Let's hop on in here. Gonna go ahead and put the key fob in the ignition really quick. Just like that. Let's go through the display quickly here. We got your speedometer, we've got your screen setup, your messages, audio, stop-start engine, trip information, fuel economy, vehicle information, back to your speedometer. As you can see, this vehicle does only have 8,271 kilometers, which is great. We've got your leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left, we have your voice recognition and your cruise control on this side. Coming up here, we've got your rear view mirror, your sunglass holder. We've got your reading lamps here. Down at your audio center, we've got AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Go ahead and turn up the volume for you guys.
Kiss Concerts. What's up? It's Robbie the intern.
Goes pretty loud, as well as we got your media, your phone for Bluetooth. We've got your compass, your climate that has your heated steering wheel, your heated driver and passenger seats, as well as if you click into more, got your outside temperature, your clock, more settings. Taking a look down here is your volume button. This is the tune button to change the station. We got your traction control and your automatic start engine. Coming down here, you'll find your AC climate control buttons and the dual dial. Taking a look down here, we've got your 12V DC outlet, as well as an aux port and a USB outlet. We got the select terrain option that comes with your auto, your snow, your sport, sand, mud, as well as the parking brake. 2 great cup holders. We've got some internal storage here, as well as here, and I guess a pack of gum. We've also got your USB port and another 12V DC outlet. There's plenty of more options we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Taking a look in the back, you can see the door panels are all the same. They all got this nice accent feature here as well. As a great little cup holder, you've got lots of foot and headroom in this vehicle. Map pocket behind the driver's seat. We've got your directional air vents here. Let's take a look in the back. Coming down here, we have your hitch and your 4-pin and your 7-pin for the wiring harness. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Got lots of trunk space, some extra mats. You got a full-size spare tire, as well as some storage over here, your 12V DC outlet, another little storage over here. We've got hooks on each corner as well. Closing up the trunk here. Just come around. Coming back to the back, we've got 2 great cup holders and armrest, as well as these back seats do come down for some extra space, just like that. Take a look at the front. Door panels, all the same. Got that little extra space there. Got cute little side pockets here as well. Your front console giving you lots of extra storage. That's it. I'd like to thank you all for taking a look at this 2018 Jeep Cherokee Altitude. If you'd like to come down and take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.